Hi, today I will show you how to develop your own geometry in Tonatiuh ray tracing software. Here you can see that this is parabolic trough collector. It's consisting of two systems. One was reflector and one more thing is called receiver tube. This is our dimensions. Our focal length is 1.7 meter and aperture width is 5.6 meter and receiver dia is 0.035 meter. These dimension will make the parabola in Tonatiuh software. Now just open the Tonatiuh ray tracing software, and that is called group node and it's called surface node. This is called a tree of the software. We will make the components. Just click group node, it will show here, and double click group node, so you can generate two group nodes. One group node for reflector components and one more group node for receiver components. You can change the name reflector, receiver. Just click reflector and select a surface node. Now you can see the surface node, it's coming. Now go to insert shape. You can see here lot of different shapes are there, but right now we are using parabola shape, so click parabola. Now the parabola is generated. You can see. Now you can see here, you can change the parabola dimensions. Our focal length is 1.71 meter and our aperture width is 5.6 meter. So 5.6 meter divided by 2, because this coordinate is between the center point, so we have to divide it. Minus 2.8 is left side and plus 2.8 is right side, so total length is 5.6. The length is 2 meter. Now the parabola is generated. Now click receiver and click surface node. Now go to insert shape, click cylinder. Now click cylinder and change the dimensions. Our receiver dia is 0.035 meter. So open the Tonatiuh and change the dimensions. Now once we change the dimension, you can go and we have to change the position. You can see we have to move the receiver in the y directions. So select, this is 3 x y z. Now y means middle. We can change the 1.71, that is focal length. Now go to sunlight and environment and sunlight. Change the blue shape, sun shape, sun position. Keep it as there and click not export option. Just click OK. Now you can see it's running, but we have to change the number of rays to see visibly. Change to 100. Click OK. Go to run. Export. Not export. Click OK. But you see it's not reflecting. The rays are coming, but it's not reflecting on the surface, receiver surface. So click the surface nodal point and go to insert, say material, select specular standard material. Now click, enter the reflective values. Ours is 0.9 and same vice versa. Click receiver surface node also. Insert material, specular standard material. Our observability is 0.95, so reflectivity is 0.05. Click run, not to export. Now you can see rays focusing. This is called sun positioning. Now the sun is perpendicularly 90 degrees, so that's why shadow is there. Now you can export these results like a binary files. Select directory, file name and select surface. it will generate the finary files. Thanks for watching.